Rover, Rover, Rover. Oh, there's Rover.
Very funny.
There we go. Check it out. TC. 2000. It's a beauty. Don't find many of these around anywhere. It's kind of like that other find that I found there a few episodes ago. Not bad upholstering either for its age. Nice. Looks like everything works on it too. And this is the proud owner of this beauty here.
Except the air conditioning.
Oh, he said except for the air conditioning. Well, I know he's going to put the time in it. Everybody does eventually.
Eventually.
Remember, be careful when you're at a car show. Don't by accident scratch or touch. Not even on purpose. A lot of time and effort goes into these beauties. And remember, think about it. Some of them were in old briar patches, old barns with poop all over them. Broken down, tires flat, unloved, unwanted. Until someone come along and said, I love you. Come here, Rover. Until next time. This Rover is being a good dog and staying with its master. Willis out.